Hello my dear friend, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new amazing project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing project. Its name is Rune Coin Network. Guys, this amazing project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Rune Coin Network, first step to the moon, be the first ones. Rune Coin Network revolutionizes blockchain integration by bridging traditional project with decentralized technologies using the Ton blockchain and multi-chain interoperability, fostering innovation. And next guys, you can buy the pre-sale now. Guys, this project pre-sale is live now, so guys you can join now, then you can buy now. So guys, you can click this buy button and see this pre-sale live price. You can check here 5 days, 17 hours, 59 minutes remaining. You can check here current price $0.00200, next stage price $0.00220, last stage price $0.1. So guys, you can check here. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet connect, Phantom, MetaMask. So guys, you can select any wallet, then you can select network. So guys, you can click here and select network. So I select USDT. So guys, you can click here and enter your USDT amount, then you can receive Rune Coin Network now. And next guys, you can see this, you can get airdrop now. So guys, you can click this button and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here, page is open. Rune Coin, you can network the first pre-sale on Ton, bridging blockchain with multi-chain reach, built for scalability and security. Don't miss out, claim your exclusive spot before it's too late. You can check your official website link, you can see the official Twitter page link, official YouTube channel link. You can check here, you can see this Rune Coin Network airdrop. We are thrilled to announce our airdrop in partnership with Guild. Join the decentralized revolution. You can check here Rune Coin Network, the first pre-sale on Ton using multi-chain technology powered by Ton scalability and security. You can check here. So guys, you can submit your Ton with the address. You can check here, you can fill this form. You can click here, then you can fill this form. You can unlock your reward. So guys, you can visit this project Telegram link, repost this, and next guys, you can see, you can visit our links, then you can unlock the reward now. So guys, you can fill this form. So guys, you can click here, then you can fill this form. You can see that this form is locked, requirement to access. So guys, you can see this. So first of all, you can unlock this, and then you can fill this form now. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here, backed by Ton ecosystem. You can see this, and next guys, you can scroll down and see this more detail. Revolutionizing blockchain ecosystem. Rune Coin Network offers a complete blockchain ecosystem that blends fun interaction with the Ton blockchain power, acting as a bridge to blockchain to a traditional project and transforming user interaction with decentralized. So guys, you can check here, and next guys, you can see the blockchain bridge seamlessly connect traditional project with blockchain technology, Ton integration. Built on Ton blockchain for maximum scalability and efficiency, community focus. Strong emphasis on community engagement and user experience. And next guys, you can see this roadmap, phase 1, foundation and vision. Laying the groundwork through research, team building and technical planning, establishing the token framework and engaging the community for long-term growth. You can check here, you can see this one, research and concept validation. You can see this, conduct market analysis and validate concept to ensure project viability. Step 2, project planning and team building, assembling expert teams and establishing project framework. Step 3, technical review and development, rigorous technical assignment and infrastructure planning. Step 4, token creation, event preparations, strategic planning for successful token launch. Step 5, marketing and community building, engaging with early adopters and building strong community foundation. Step 6, development and growth, implementing core features and expanding platform capability. You can check here, and next you can see this phase 2, launch and market entry, executing the pre-sale of Rune Coin Network, distributing tokens and securing exchange listing, driving awareness through strategic marketing to maximize adoption. You can check here. Number one, phase launch, initiating the token pre-sale event with strategic pricing and allocation. Step 2, token distribution, executing systematic token distribution to pre-sale partnerships. Step 3, exchange integration. Step 4, marketing campaign. You can check here. Step 5, community growth. Step 6, market analysis. Guys, you can read carefully. I'll take next. Guys, you can see this phase 3, adoption and expansion, focusing on user growth, audience targeting, and global reach, enhancing token utility with leveraging analysis and community feedback. You can check here. Step 1, research and targeting, analyzing market segments and identifying key audience groups. Step 2, user acquisitions, implementing strategies to drive sustainable user growth. Step 3, global expansion, extending platform reach to new markets and regions. Step 4, analytic integration. You can see step 5, community feedback. Step 6, token utility enhancement. Guys, you can read carefully. I'll take this is the roadmap of this project, Runecoin Network, and next we discuss how to buy Runecoin Network. Follow these steps to join the Runecoin Network. You can check here, set up your wallet. If you don't have a compatible wallet yet, we recommend using MetaMask or Tonekeeper. You can check here one setup, click the connect wallet button and follow the prompts to link your wallet. For fund wallet, add Ethereum, BNB, Tone to your wallet, choose your preferred payment method, enter the number of Rune tokens you wish to purchase. Make sure to check your wallet balance to confirm you have enough funds for the transaction. Next, you can check here buy and improve. Complete your purchase by approving the transaction in your connected wallet. One confirms your token will be securely. You can check here. You can see this. You can follow these steps. Then you can buy Runecoin Network. And next, you can check here token details, token address. You can check here total supply. You can see this. And next, you can scroll down and see this frequently asked question: what is Runecoin Network and its secure missions? Is Rune Network secure? You can check here what makes Runecoin Network unique. You can check here all questions. You can see this. Next, you can join the Runecoin Network, experience the future of mining with our innovative platform, start earning rewards, and become part of our thriving community today. You can check out free mining. Start mining Stone token instantly with zero initial investment. Earn Rune. Convert your Tone to Rune tokens and maximize your earnings. Boost rewards. Increase your mining efficiency through various boost mechanisms. You can check your machines. You can see these community benefits. Join our thriving community and earn through referrals. You can see the next guy. You can join our community now. You can check here and active miners 50k plus. Total reward 2 million plus, 100k plus community members. So guys, you can see this and next guys, you can see you can join this community in following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, YouTube. So we go to this project offshore Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can see the Runecoin Network official Telegram group channel open. You can check here. You can subscribe this channel and give information about this project. And next we back to the home page. And next we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can click this button and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this Runecoin Network official Twitter page is open. You can follow here and give information about this project. You can see this Runecoin pre-sale live. You can see this price. You can join now. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this white paper PDF open. You can check it, you can read carefully it, you can see this. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see the disclaimer detail about this project. You can read it carefully. So guys, this website video is finished.